I need a piece of window. So I'm getting me a piece of window. Okay?
Hey. This is how it's done, I guess, eh?
This is how it's done, all right. Ooh. This is not how it's supposed to be done. Holy cough. Oof, cock. Someone's gonna get hurt. Well, hopefully it's big enough. I think I'll go top first. This sucks. Come on, baby. Come on. I should have just tried peeling it off, but I don't think it's gonna peel off. I could get my power saw, I guess. That might work. Oh, come on, you hurry. This is pretty haywire, you know that, eh? Like, really fucking haywire. Fuck off! And just like that, we do haywire shit. That there was haywire and not WCB approved.